Morning! Yeah guys, may kasama pala tayo na dito.
Damn!
Makikita nyo, napaka-sikip. Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today is nag-book tayo ng tour sa Klook, which is ang Cu Chi Tunnel and Mekong Delta Day Tour. And guys, dito sa activity na to is ipapakita sa atin and ikukwento ng ating tour guide kung paano nga ba lumaban ng mga Vietcong or Vietnamese soldier sa mga Americans during Vietnam Wars. And then ipapakita din sa atin dito kung paano nga ba nila tinalo ang mga Americans during Vietnam War. And lastly, kung paano nila ginawa ang 250 kilometers na tunnel dito sa Cu Chi.
Yeah, let's go.
Hello. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah.
House right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ito na guys, ito na yung tour guide natin. And wow, naka-limousine bus. Mashallah. Alright. Tignan ng activity natin. So mamaya, ikukwento ko na lang sa inyo at kung anong oras tayo darating dun sa Cu Chi Tunnel.
Cu Chi Tunnel take part in the Vietnam War, and this place contribute up to 70% of our winning in the war. In the past, Vietnam we have a civil war between different region, the northern region and the southern region.
So ayun guys, nag-first stop muna tayo dito sa Handicap Handicrafts. So sunod na tayo dito sa tour guide natin.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you very much for your visit.
Guys, ito yung mga handicrafts.
I would like to show you the design. It's very Vietnam, very beauty, and also the bestseller picture here. This is traditional Vietnamese dress. The name is áo dài, inlaid action, scissors and hand painting together. They paint red color because the red is a national color of Vietnam.
Hi guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa Cu Chi Tunnel. So on the way na tayo dun sa loob ng Cu Chi Tunnel. Guys, ito yung mga baril during Vietnamese War. Grabe, no? Ayan guys. Na-preserve pa rin nila yung mga baril na ganito. Ayun guys, papasok na kami sa mismong Cu Chi Tunnel. So, ibibigay lang namin yung ticket na binili ng tour guide para sa amin. And ito yung itsura niya. Ibigay lang natin yung ticket. Thank you. Thank you.
Have arrived at the Cu Chi Tunnel, right inside the battlefield. So, in the past, just remember for me that this place we have a war between the Vietcong and the U.S. Army. For 20 years, the Vietcong has finally made up to 250 kilometers of tunnel.
Wow.
Yeah. Earlier, we took around 1.5 hours traveling from Ho Chi Minh City to this place, right, everyone? Can you imagine that we also have a tunnel leads from here back to Ho Chi Minh City? At that time, this place known as Saigon. Yeah.
Ayun guys, in-explain ng tour guide natin kung paano nila ginawa or hinuka yung Cu Chi Tunnel na almost 250 kilometers yung lawak niya. So imagine, wala silang mga gaanong tools or mga technology that time para magdig ng ganong kalawak na tunnel. So ang ginamit lang talaga nila is yung pang farm. Yun lang ang ginamit nila to dig the tunnel. And imagine, no, kung kayo yung nasa sitwasyon ng time na yun as a Vietcong, grabe.
We got is the sticking trap. So, when they're walking, they're running, some of them will fall into the trap. This is what happens when your legs falling down to this kind of trap. As you can see, the legs will get penetrated with four vertical spike. Next one, flipping armpit trap. When you're falling down to the whole body, these spike right here will penetrate both of your armpits. This way up. This is the folding chair, but we also have another term, the crocodile show. Depending on the length of every human body, you can fit your feet, your thigh, and even to your hip. This one. This is the fish trap. We take it out from here for you to understand. A little bit same design with the sticking trap, the first trap over there, but it's much more crucial. So same with the soldiers when they holding the feet down there. Yeah, their feet will get penetrated with one spike like this, right? But when you try to pull your legs out, like this one, yeah, we get stuck by the surrounding spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, like this. When you're like you pull your legs out, you meet the surrounding thing right here. They encounter every house, they always try to keep the wall down. Why? Because they fear that the villagers may hiding the Vietcong inside of their house. So when they come to each house, they can kick it down. Why? And we have some present for them. We hang the strap on top of the ceiling like this, and when the dog gets kicked, the strap will falling down to this direction. And not only that, if the soldiers have good reflex, they will try to block it with their hands. But this is what happened when you try to block it like this, right? When we have some drop this one.
Oh, yeah.
And you can see the second part still come along and hits directly to your nuts. Ouch. Ouch.
Oh.
Okay.
So, bali guys, sabi ng tour guide namin is ginawa daw tong mga trap na to hindi lang para sa mga enemy, kundi para din hulihin yung mga hayop kasi wala naman silang masyadong technology that time. So, yung mga trap na yun is actually for para mahuli yung mga animals, ganon. Pero syempre since maparaan sila is ginamit din nila for their enemies sa mga American soldiers.
Okay, smile to the camera. Good job. Okay, strike your arms. Okay, strike your arms. You do great. Damn. Disappear. Let's go. Good job.
Grabe guys. Surreal nung experience. Pumasok sa tunnel dito sa Cu Chi. Grabe ang lalim niya guys. Kung itatry nyo, personally, sobrang lalim nung tunnel. Madali lang pumasok pero mahirap lumabas. I mean, umangat kasi sobrang lalim talaga niya. Akala ko nga hanggang tuhod lang pero hindi. Sobrang lalim niya guys. Pero ang sarap sa feeling. I-try nyo din pag pumunta kayo dito sa Cu Chi Tunnel. Kailangan nyo pala magdala dito ng mga mosquito repellent kasi medyo malamok siya. Kasi kung makikita nyo, diba, forest talaga siya. Look. Kaya pag pupunta kayo or mag-book kayo ng activity na to na Cu Chi Tunnel is make sure lang na magpahid kayo ng mga mosquito repellent. Yung mga naririnig nyo palang mga gunfire is meron dito kasing shooting range dito sa Cu Chi Tunnel. So you should, if you want to try, pwede nyo namang subukan yung mga barrel na pinapaputok dito. Yan, kung naririnig nyo. So, sabi ng tour guide namin is kung sino yung gusto daw mag shooting fire. Ayan yung naririnig nyo guys. Kung sino yung gusto mag shooting fire daw is sumunod lang sa kanya. Kaso ayun nga lang, medyo mahal or pricey yung shooting fire kasi parang isang per bullet is 65,000 Vietnamese dong na agad. So medyo kailangan niya ng 10 bala, so which is parang around 650,000 Vietnamese dong.
When you wait like this and if you move forward, the train will move backward. So in an army of Vietcong soldiers, for me, if I'm a soldier at that time, I can wear normal like this. But for my friends, my companions, if he wants to, he can wear like this. So if we move to the same direction, our trail everywhere, so the enemy cannot know which is the real direction that the Vietcong headed.
Tara guys, follow na natin siya. Ay, medyo matirik siya.
Alright, so my friend, enjoy the journey, and I will see you in Cambodia.
See you in Cambodia. Oh my God, guys. Ay, grabe. Napaka-stiff ng daanan. Grabe. Ito medyo malalim siya. Kaya guys, dandahan. Dandahan lang kayo. Okay, so look at that.
Yes,
40.
yes.
This is 20 meters.
How about this? How about that? Is that 40 meters?
Yeah.
Okay guys. Oh my God. Sige. Tara. Pasukan natin guys. Grabe. Nasubok yung leg day natin dito guys. Ito guys. Ito 40 meters. Oh my God. Grabe to. Almost there.
Okay, 40 meters sunrise.
Yeah, I think I'm good 40 meters.
Yes, longer 60 meters.
No, so 40 meters, right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't think I can get to 60.
You pass the message to everyone that whoever wants to go at 40, they can just climb up or can come like that.
Okay, so 40 meters go to the right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
60 meters can continue.
Okay, okay. Grabe guys, so kung makikita nyo, napaka-sikip.
Okay, continue 40 meters. Longer 40 meters.
Anyone?
No.
Oh no.
Yes.
No.
I can
Yes.
I think I will go out now.
Go up, yes.
Yeah.
Come.
So this is 40?
Yeah, why go up?
Okay. Yeah. Guys, nagpa-flashlight ako kasi sobrang dilim dito. Actually, malamig naman siya dito. Hindi naman siya ganun kainit.
Hello, why go up? 40 meters.
40 meters, okay.
Longer city.
So that's the 60 meters.
Yes.
Okay.
Are we too fast that people are so
Yeah.
behind?
Yes.
Guys, here.
Okay, way up, yes.
Yeah, I'm going up.
Group 20 meter up.
Guys, di ko na kaya. Ito kasi 60 meters. Pag diniretso yan, so hindi ko na kaya yan. Hanggang 40 meters lang tayo. Lalabas na tayo. Kaya ko pa sana kaso ayoko mag-risk. Okay, tara guys, labas na tayo. Oh, okay. Guys, palabas na tayo 40 meters. Grabe yung babae. Hanggang 60 siya or sabi niya hanggang 100 meters daw. Pero hindi na natin kaya yun guys. Yeah. Let's go.
High, 40 meters.
40 meters, yeah.
Be careful.
Without the proper security.
Alright, I survived. Guys, yeah, thank you.
Which way?
Grabe guys, yung babae tumuli pa ng 60 meters or even 100 meters. Ayun, ayun na siya, lumabas na siya guys. I think 60 meters yung nilabasan niya. Grabe, surreal na experience guys, pero sa mga claustrophobic baka hindi nyo kayanin guys, pero masaya siya i-try. Ayun guys, after 2 hours na biyahe mula Cu Chi Tunnel, nakarating na kami dito ngayon sa Mekong River, and tatawid na kami papuntang Unicorn Island, and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga activities na gagawin namin dun sa island na yun. Guys, dito kami sa bangka. Ayun guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa unang stop is yung Unicorn Island, and then explain sa amin ng tour guide kung bakit nga daw kulay brown yung river nila. Hindi daw dahil yan sa mga pollution, hindi daw dahil yan sa mga dumi, kundi dahil daw yan sa soil ng Vietnam, kaya daw naging kulay brown.
Inside there, many kinds of animals, including cobra, scorpion, many kinds of lizards, insects, so we rename it the snake wine.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god. Oy. My god.
Who wants to try this?
No. Thank you.
Gentlemen, who want to try this? Wait.
Grabe guys, tinikman nila yung snake wine. Hindi ko kaya yun. Makakita nga lang ako ng ahas, takot na takot na ako eh. Ginawang wine pa kaya. So grabe, nakakabilib yung si ate. Ito siya. Ayan, para siya ay Indian ata, not sure. Tapos yung mag-couple na Australian. And of course yung tour guide namin na si Daniel. Grabe ang tapang nila, no? Hindi ko kaya yun. Mamaya maging ahas ka after mo inumin yung wine na yun eh. Painumin mo na lang ako ng gin. Wag lang yun.
Fruits and enjoy the performance. Everyone.
What was that one again? Sorry, Dan?
Jackfruits.
Jackfruits. Okay.
Yeah,
How about this one?
Guava.
Guava.
Guava. Guys, sakasakay na kami sa bangka.
Alright, hands inside, okay? The red handle. Holding the red handle inside.
Nagsishake guys. Ayun, napapaisip ako, wala kayang crocodile dito or ahas. Yung kinakatakot ko eh. Itong bangka na to, parang naalala ko sa kanya yung floating market sa Thailand. Gantong-ganto siya. Kaso ayun, may motor yun. Ito pala, sagwan lang talaga. Yun guys, tapos na tayong magbangka. Ang saya talaga. Pero nakakatakot kasi ang lakas ng hangin, umuuga yung bangka, baka mamaya tumaob. Worth it i-try, sulit. So kapag pumunta kayo ng Ho Chi Minh, i-book nyo rin to activity na to. Magkasama siya, pero nakita ko sa Klook, separate siya. Merong Mekong Delta Tour lang, and then meron ding Cu Chi Tunnel. Pero ang binok natin is magkasama, dalawa na sila. So I think mas makakatipid kayo kapag parehas yung binok yung dalawa.
This bees that have striped abdomens right here is the worker bees, also known as the female bees. But for the male bees, let me see. Oh, right here. The male bees have the whole black abdomen right here. Yeah, and its functions like very different. Over here we got Titan, live Titan.
He's looking at you. Sabi ng tour guide namin, etong Mekong River na to, kaya pala naalala ko, parang may Mekong River din sa Thailand. Ang Mekong River pala is hinahati siya ng 6 na bansa. So, yung mga bansa na yon is Thailand, Cambodia, Myanmar, Vietnam, China, and then Laos. So yun yung mga bansa na yun na nagko-connect dito sa Mekong River. And guys, just like that, we are back at the cafe apartment. Ang ganda oh. And guys, nakasakay na tayo ng elevator. And then yung Madam Nguyen na kakainan natin is nasa 5th floor. And ang price pala niya pag paggamit dito ng elevator is 3,000 Vietnamese dong. So may bayad siya sa paggamit ng elevator. So if ayaw niyo magbayad, then maglakad na lang kayo or maghagdan na lang kayo. Let's go. Ayan guys. Dito tayo kakain. And ayan siya. Let's go. Okay. Hello. For one? Yes. Okay, thank you. Ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda, walang tao. Ito yung lugar niya. Ayan, dito tayo kakain. Look at this. So dito na lang tayo guys. Guys, kapag pumunta kayo ng The Cafe Apartment, kung gusto nyo i-try dito is ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga menu. I-post nyo na lang ha. Coffee nila. Ayan. Post nyo na lang guys. And then juice. Okay. And then yung drink. Vietnamese broken rice, crispy Vietnamese pancakes, favorite food of Saigonese, banh mi, yan, pwede nyo rin itry yan. Ay, ito oh, magta-try din tayo, ito, bibiling ko tayo fresh spring roll, and, uy, may buncha sila guys, for 75k. 89k, 75k, and then 39k, and ayan guys, post nyo na lang ha. Thank you. So guys, dumating na yung fresh spring rolls natin. Magsusulat na tayo ng papel and then mamaya is ididikit natin dito sa isa sa mga wall. Thank you. Come on. Yan, nakapit na guys. Yan, thank you. Guys, tapos na tayo kumain sa Madam Nguyen dito sa The Cafe Apartment. So, ang total pala ng bill natin na kinain is 173,000 Vietnamese dong. So, around nasa 300 plus pesos. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, is dati ako nagwo-work sa corpo, and nag-decide ako na mag-work as a freelancer, as a digital nomad. So it's a big decision for me, to be honest, kasi syempre wala naman tayo experience magtrabaho as a freelance, but I take the risk kasi ako yung taong mahilig mag-risk. So ako yung taong sugod lang na sugod, kahit na hindi na minsan pinag-iisipan, pero wala naman akong pinagsisisihan doon kasi 'di ba, kahit papaano hindi ko to magagawa kung nagwa-work pa rin ako sa corpo. Kaya I'm very thankful kasi nagkaroon ako ng work na pwede akong magtrabaho kahit saan, nabigyan ako ng opportunity. Kaya kayo, yung mga work nyo, be thankful, and at the same time, wag kayong matakot mag-risk, kasi minsan yung risk na yun yung risk na magpapabago ng buhay nyo. Kaya if I were you guys, take that risk or lose the chance. Diba? Sabi nga nila. Sabi ko mag-i-stop lang tayo para sumakay ng Grab, pero parang lalakarin ko na lang. Kaya naman eh. Bahala na. Grabe guys, ang dami talagang motor. Kung hindi kayo sanay, good luck. Hello! Hi! Hello! Hello guys! Hello Philippines! May namit pa tayong mga Filipino guys sa Ho Chi Minh. Philippines. Marikina.
Ay, Philippines yung Pasig.
Ah, Pasig. Team Vico.
Team Vico. Congratulations, Vico.
Ay, ingat kayo.
Solo ka lang?
Yes po, solo lang. Nakakatawa sila eh, no? Kaya pala may naririnig ako nagtatagalog sa likod. Mga Filipino pala.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
Dito ko natatapusin yung video. So natapos natin yung tour natin kanina, which is yung Cu Chi Tunnel and then yung Mekong Delta River. So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell para updated kayo sa mga next na video natin. Okay? So yun lang. Bye! Peace!